Tucker Walther. Today this is his third try. Second time up. Let's give Tucker Walther the beginning hand for the day.
Bravo, Maestro. Bravo. I think you're so fucking trying in your body.
Oh, the man is confident now, folks.
What do you say?
He's so trying.
Here we go. Rolling.
Rolling. Here's my 5.0. Yo, Doug. Doug.
Yeah.
Is there a problem?
Looks like Tucker's doing all right there, Wayne. I give him that inside rail.
Yeah.
He's noted for that international competition last year over there in France.
Oh, he is riding that lip pretty good, though.
Yeah, especially when he pulled out that first time move no one ever saw before.
Yeah.
So get the air in the pants and then shred to the left move. When he did that last year in France at the World Cup International,
Yeah.
the crowd was in awe. Let's see if he'll do it for us today. Oh, looks like he's giving the signal.
Oh, he's giving that.
Garrett's gonna house him right here. Whoa, beach. We're gonna turn around now. Let's see if Tucker does that move on this big